Hey guys, I'm sorry if I look a mess. I've literally just clocked out of work like 10 minutes ago, but I have a staff meeting in 45 minutes, so I wanted to get this video done. Yeah, I placed an order on Cookie Dough Co and I'm so excited, so I thought I would do a taste test. I'm really excited because yeah, I've never done anything like this on my channel, and after being on YouTube for coming up to 6 years, it can be hard to find something that I haven't done before, so I'm really excited about this. So I'm just going to go through and show you what I got first. So I bought some of their raw cookie doughs. Okay, perfect. So I bought 3 of the raw cookie doughs. The first one I got is birthday cake. Then I also got white chocolate Biscoff white choc cookie dough, and then I also got caramel white choc cookie dough. Okay, so these retail for $11.95 each. This is the birthday cake one, which I have already tried and I do have thoughts on, and they're not good, but I'll get to that in a minute. I haven't tried any of the others, so I'm excited to try them. We have caramel, so that's what that one looks like. And then last but not least, we have Biscoff. So I think what I might do is let's try them first and then we'll get into the cookies. So yeah, like I said, I've already tried the birthday cake one and it wasn't what I was expecting, but we're just going to try it again on camera. So it smells alright. It's very like wet kind of texture. It's just a little bit hard to get down. Obviously it doesn't taste like when you're making cookies and then you have and then you eat the dough, like, and that's kind of what I was expecting, but it doesn't taste like that. It's not the worst. I probably wouldn't repurchase this flavor though. Let's try the other ones and see if they're different. So we'll go, actually I'll leave Biscoff for last because that's what I'm most excited about. Try caramel next. Smells weird. I don't think I like it. They taste very like bitter or something. Obviously I'm guessing like, well, on the ingredients there's no egg. And like obviously they'd need to make things to be able to make it edible while it's still raw. So I understand that, but yeah, I don't love that one. Alright, let's try Biscoff. I'm hoping for a miracle here. Okay, this one smells a bit more promising. No, I just don't think I like them, unfortunately. I was really excited about these, but yeah, they're just not for me. I'm glad I tried them because I feel like I'm really glad that I tried them because they sounded really nice. Like, they're not awful, don't get me wrong. I feel like they're just a bit bitter and not really what I was expecting. So that's fine. Let's move on to the cookies. So yeah, those were $11.95 each. Now onto the cookies. So for the 8-pack it was $68, and that's what I got. I got an 8-pack, but I'm only going to be trying 6 today because I got one of the ones that I got was the Reese's peanut butter cup, and I gave that to my boyfriend. I got that for him, and then I was showing my family the cookies last night. My sister was there and she asked if she could have one, and I was like, all right. So we're going to try out 6 today. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to eat all 6 cookies because they're big, so I'm going to like snap them in half and then try like a little bit of each. And you're also meant to heat them up in the microwave. So I'm just going to show you how the cookies look first. I'm going to go off camera, heat them up, and then we'll come back and try them together. Alright, first we have red velvet, and this looks really nice. I'm so excited. I feel like the cookies are going to be really nice, so I'm really excited for them. This one here is called Cookie Monster. It's got like M&Ms and Oreo and stuff on top. We have Biscoff white choc, which is I'm so excited. We have lemon tart. We have cookies and cream. And then we have Bueno Surprise. So yeah, super excited. The one that my sister took was the caramel one. So yeah, I'm gonna go like snap these in half. They straight off the bat they feel really soft, which I'm really excited about. So yeah, I'm gonna go heat them up and then we'll do a taste test. Okay, so I decided to do them 3 at a time because I thought like there's no point heating them all at once. So the first one that I'm gonna try is the Cookie Monster. You can see like the inside there, like it's super like soft. This one is so good. This tastes like raw cookie dough, like tastes like the if you guys ever used to get like the tubes of cookie dough, like Auntie Kat's, the M&M one, that's what this tastes like, and it's really good. Yum, that one's so good. Next we have Biscoff, and actually I accidentally just touched the lemon one and I got lemon in on my hand, so let's try the lemon one. So this is how a lemon tart looks. Okay, let's give it a go. This one is, no, it's so good. This one's so good too. I'll tell you what though, I'm a massive sweet tooth, like I live and breathe for sugar, but I'm starting to feel sick, so we're only like 2 in. This one is really nice. It's like the perfect blend of like the tardiness of the lemon and the sweetness of like the cookie. So good. And then we have Biscoff. So this is how Biscoff looks. Oh my god. That is so good. I want to get Cade's reaction. Cade! Let me call him. I want to get his reaction, and also I don't think I can finish this cookie. Can you please come here? I'm filming still.
Oh.
No, I want you to be in my video because I can't finish this. And I also want you to tell the camera what you think.
Am I allowed to have my top off?
I think so. They won't monetize me anyway. This is the Biscoff one. I feel really sick. You're in the shop. Come down here.
Good.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, I like it.
I feel really sick. I think I need to... What? That was so good, wasn't it?
Really good.
Gross. I love you.
I love you more.
I think I'm gonna have to film the rest of them tomorrow because I feel so sick. Like, in a good way, but like, I just, like, I don't feel too sick, but I know that if I take another bite of cookie that I'm gonna send it over the edge. But so far, like 10 out of 10 at the moment. They taste so good. I still think my favourite one was probably the Cookie Monster one. So left we have Bueno, which I feel like is going to be amazing. We have Red Velvet, which I'm really excited about. And we also have... I don't know what the last one is. I can't remember. But yeah, I think I'm going to have to finish them tomorrow or maybe later tonight if I get hungry. But yeah, don't worry. I will be back very soon. Okay guys, it is the next day now and we are back to try out the rest of these cookies. So I have them here. I went and dropped some off to my family last night, like half of the one, like the other half that I hadn't like eaten, and they loved them. So, so I have Red Velvet, Bueno, and Cookies and Cream. Let's try Cookies and Cream first. I think I'm gonna leave Bueno for last. This one is really, really, really good. Oh my god, I'm actually like in heaven right now. It's so good. The like actual cookie dough itself tastes so good, but then it's got like cookie and cream filling and like white chocolate and stuff. Oh, delicious. That was really good. Okay, next we have red velvet. This one's interesting. It tastes red, and I know that sounds really weird, but it tastes like what you would expect red velvet to taste like. But I don't know if I like it. Don't get me wrong, it's still like good. It's just the other ones are so much better, I feel like. The other flavours I've liked so much more. It's still really nice. Just not my flavour preference. Which I'm honestly quite shocked about, to be honest. Like, I thought that I would really love that. But in saying that, every time that I've tried red velvet, it's been like packet mix cakes and stuff like that. So I feel like they probably haven't captured what true red velvet is. And this is probably the first time that I'm like trying like real red velvet, because I feel like when you think of red velvet, like you think it's kind of like chocolatey, but I feel like it's not it's not supposed to be. Does that make sense? I don't know. Anyway, last but not least, we have Bueno, and I'm very excited for this one. This one's confusing me. There's something in here that like I know the taste of, but I can't put my finger on it. It tastes kind of nutty, and you know, like in the Buenos, obviously it's got the hazelnut filling. I feel like that's their version of what they've tried to capture, is like the nut tasting stuff in here. Obviously, like, it was still really good, don't get me wrong, just different to what I expected. Okay, let's get on to final thoughts. So first thing that I just wanted to quickly talk about was order and shipping time. So I ordered these, I think it was last Thursday, which was a public holiday, and they arrived on Tuesday. So that is super quick shipping in my opinion, because obviously we had the public holiday Thursday. I feel like most businesses also closed for the Friday, so I don't know if these guys were open or not. But yeah, it literally arrived in 3 business days, say, if we count the Friday. So shipping was super quick. And I just wanted to, point that out. Anyway, so yeah, I paid $100 for these, and I got free shipping, so that was fine. The cookie doughs I do not like. They're not for me. They're not what I kind of was expecting when I purchased a cookie dough. But in saying that, it might be for you, it might be for other people. As I said before, I am a very sweet girl, so I think because they're a little bit more like kind of bitter tasting, not as sweet, that's why I didn't really like them. I mean, I am the girl that when I'm cooking cakes, I will eat majority of the cake batter rather than cooking it. So I think that just might be where the problem is. Anyway, as for the actual cookies, I am honestly blown away. Like, they look good. They look so good. But I didn't know it was possible for cookies to taste this good. My absolute favourites is still Cookie Monster. That is my number one. I think it's so good. Cookies and cream was really, really good as well. I really loved that. I quite liked the lemon tart one. Like, I thought that one was really nice mix of like sweet and like the tartness as well. Biscoff I loved, but oh my god, I love Biscoff so much, but that cookie, I will need like 3 business days to eat it because it is so sweet. I think Red Velvet and Bueno were probably my 2 ones that were like least favourite, but that doesn't like, I don't want that to sound like they're bad, because they're not. Like, they're still really good. They're just, out of all the flavours, those are the ones that I liked the least. Red Velvet, it was good, still good, just I feel like it was like less sweet than the others, you know what I mean? And the Bueno one, it was still really good, don't get me wrong, but just different to what I was expecting. So yeah, I think that was all we tried, wasn't it? Cookies and cream, Cookie Monster, lemon tart, Bueno, Red Velvet. What was the other one? Oh, Biscoff. Yeah, they still have so many different flavours, so if you like this video and would like to see me try out more flavours, then definitely let me know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!